Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Python programming. I am Sanjay Sonker, working as assistant professor in AKGEC Engineering College in Department of Information Technology. In this lecture, we will discuss to the Python programming with Python data types. Now, here we discuss the types of data in a Python programming is a very important concept. Python programs are widely used in many applications such as data science, web designing, desktop GUI. So data types are mainly very important to use in a Python programming. Now, how to store the data in a Python? We are using two variables. Variables is used as a folder to store the data in a different types. There is a different types of data lists are given below. The text types, numerical types, sequence types, mapping types, set types, Boolean types and binary types. First we discuss about the strings. How to store the string in a Python programming. Now we take a variable 1. In a variable we store the strings. If we store the word, we are using to single quotation. Hello. Now we run this program. The output is given as a print, variable name, that's a simple hello. If we want to print the sentence, we are using to double two quotations. We just check it. Variable 2, double quotation, hello world. Now we print is hello world. If we want to print the multiple line, we are using to triple quotations. Hello Sanjay, welcome. Welcome to the lecture series in Python. We are using to triple quotation. Now we check the output. Okay, now we discuss the number system. In a number system, we are using to the integer, float and complex number. How to check the integer, float and complex number in Python? Next, we create a cell for programming. Now we check the integer, a variable, assign the numbers, integer. Now how to check the integer types? Type a. It's give the integer. Now we check the float. P given the value is 2.4. Now we check the types of variable b. Print b. Type is float. Now we check the complex number. In a Python, we represent the complex number as 3 plus, as a 3 is a real number, 4 j. Here we are using to j, not a I. Now we check the number. It's give complex number. Next we discuss the tuples. Now how to create a tuples in a programming? Tuple 1, just assign the value in a tuple 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a unordered. Now to print the tuples, 1, 1, 3, 2, 4s. Now we find the types of tuple. Type is tuple. Tuple is a immutable. You cannot change the tuple after creating the, so it's a immutable. And some other operation will be performed in a tuples. You can access the elements in a tuple with using the index. 1. Now we access the element in the position first. First one is the first element in a tuples. Now we access the last element in a tuple. We just use -1. -1 is the last element in a tuple. That is a 4. 4 is the last element in a tuple. Now we another perform the operation is concatenation. Tuple 1. Now we create to another tuple. Tuple 2. Assign the value. Eight. Now we concatenate the tuples. 1, tuple 2, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we discuss the list in a Python. Now we just create a list. In a list, list is a mutable. You can change the elements in the list easily. So first we assign the list A. We assign AKGEC value, numbers 3 plus 2 complex numbers. Now that is a list. How to check the types of list? List 1. That is a list. Now we add the list value in a list. List 1 dot append value 10. Now check the list. Added. 10 is added at the end of the list. Next operation we perform, pop the elements in a list. How to remove the elements in a list? We just use the list 1 dot pop function. Ten is removed from the list. Next we discuss the directory. Dictionary in Python programming, we just create a dictionary with the key and values. Dictionary, we create a dictionary with using curly brackets. We just mention the key 1 and assign the key 1 value is 10. Next, create a key, assign the value 20. Create key 3. Assign the value 30. Now we check the types of this is dictionary. Now we access the key values separately. Dictionary dot keys that's the keys key 1, key 2 and key 3. Now we access the values from the dictionary directory. Directory 1 dot values. Now check the value is 10, 20 and 30. Directory is not be accessed to the as a index value. Come to the value of range. How to explain the range? Range is lie between the given in a Python 0 to end step before the last elements. How to check the range? Just define a range. Range in Python. Programming. Now we check the range from for I range 0 to 5. In range print I. In a Python we check the ranges. I is I in 0 to 5. It's print 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we check the ranges. Ranges defined as a start. Ranges defined as a start, stop and step operations. Now mapping a directory we discussed already. Directory you can add and remove the key. Set type is, now we discuss the set. Set is a unordered, unindexed and operations. Now we discuss the set. In a Python we just use the set. Now we create a set 1. Insert the element in a set 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we check the set type. Set 1. Set is a unique elements in a set. Check the set 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a 2 is repeated, but set is containing the unique value in a set. Next we discuss the fortune set. Fortune set we create a set not be changed in the set value is known as a Fourier set. Now we have to create a Fourier set. Tuple 2, we create a Fourier set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we create a Fourier set. 1, Fourier set 2. Check the types. Set 1. Say Fourier set. First, if we create the set as a Fourier set, there is no change after create the set. It's known as a Fourier set. Next, we discuss the setting the specified data in a Python programming. In we are using to any data types, we are using to simple constructor function to create the data sets. There is another method to represent the data types. Is a simple str hello world int 20 float complex numbers. List is a constructor. Inside the constructor we create a list, tuple, directory, sets, Fourier sets, Boolean functions, byte array and memory view byte. Next, now we identify the some basic operation performed on a Python programmings. There is a arithmetic operations, comparisons, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise and membership function. Now we discuss the some arithmetic operation in Python. Addition, we assign the value of A variable is 10, B 20 and we perform to add operation is A plus B value is assigned to the C variables in Python. Next is subtraction. Subtraction is B minus A 20 is subtract 10 is value is 10. Multiply B stick A, division, modulus, exponential, exponent and float divisions in a arithmetic operations. In a comparison operator, we observe that is a equal to A is assigned a value of 10, B assigned a value of 30. We check the equal. If it's not equal, its condition is not equal, it's give the result as a false. Otherwise, it's give a true. Next, we check the not equal to. If A is not equal to B, it's give the false. A is greater than B. In here we assign the value of 10. It's not a greater than B, so it's give false. Less than A is less than B, it's a true. Greater than and equal to is false. Less than and equal to is true. Next, Python assign the assignment operator is equal. Here we assign the operator, assign the value from the right operand to the left side operand. Now here we check this A plus B value is assigned to the into a C. Addend is using defined as a C plus equal to A is equivalent to C plus A, store the value in C. Subtract A, here C minus equal to A is equivalent to C minus A equal to C. C minus A value result is assigned to the C variables. Multiply A and here we use same as multiply C is equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C stick A. Divide and here we check the divide and same as C divide equal to A. Its meaning is C equal to C divide by A. modulus, and here we check the modulus, and C modulus equal to A means C modulus A result assigned to C. Exponent A, C stick equal to A is equivalent to C power A. Floor division, C floor equal / equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C / A. Now we check, and now we check the another operator is bitwise operator. Here we discuss operator is AND operator, is known as a binary operator. We assign the value of A is 10 and 12. We are performing the operation as a AND operator is perform a bit by bit to bit operation, 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. That is a bit operator. If anyone is off, the result is off. And binary OR operators, we check it. Binary, it's converted into 6-bit. 10 is converted into 6-bit binary number, and 12 is converted into 6-bit binary number. Now we check how to perform in a program. We check it. Now we assign a value A equal to 10 and B equal to 12. Now we perform the AND operator, A and B. The result is 8. Next is perform OR operator, A or B. Result is 14. One second, we check here. Now we perform XOR operator in a Python. So A XOR B. The result is 6. It's a bit by bit operation is performed in. Next we check the binary left shift and binary right shift and complements. Now we check the complements of a number. One second. Now we check the complements of A given as 10 complements is minus 11. Just we are using to same formula, minus x minus 1. X is a decimal number. 10 minus 10 minus 1 is a 11. Same as we check the 20 minus 20 minus 1 is a 21. We just check it, assign the value is 20. Now we check the result. Complement of 20 is minus 21. Next we check the binary left shift. How to shift that? Binary left shift. Now we check the binary left shift value. A is a single unarray. A is assigned a 2-bit left shift. Now we check the 2 bits left shift of 10. Assign a first we assign a number a 10. Now we print a is 40. Here we are using to shift 6 bit 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. It's a shift to 2 bits is shift to left. The value is 40. Now we shift right a to 2 bit right, we shift, the value is 10. Next we discuss the logical operator, that is a AND logical operator. If both the operand are true, the conditions become true. If any two operands are true, the condition become true. Not logic, not is used to reverse the logic state if it is operand. Now we check the AND operator, same. A, here we assign the logical operator value, assign as a true, and B, assign a value as a false. False. It's a blue. Check it. Now we check the AND operator, no, OR operator and NOT operator. So we check AND A and B. The result is false. Okay, in a AND operator. Next is we check the OR operator, A or B. If any is true, the output is true in OR operator. True. Next we check the NOT AND. NOT and B. The result is true. That is, reverse the state of AND is true. Next, we discuss the membership operators. In a membership, operators is given as a in, divided into two parts, as a in, not in. First we just create a variables to check the elements in a string or not. Now we check the string. We assign a string str1. We just create a string. Hello world. Hello world. We just create a string hello world. Now we check the h in str1 or not. Now we check the h is substring of h is available in a original strings. Yes or no. We just check as a true and false. Give it true. H is a available in a is a part of the string. That is it. Next we check the another. We create a tuple to check tuple to check in. Just create a tuple as and some number, give a some number 21, 23. That's a created tuples. Now we check the string is in a tuple or not. We just check it string. In part 2, it's a true. If we just assign a small a as a caps, then we check the string is, that is a false, is a case sensitive language. Now we check the not in. Now same as we check the not in. I was just check capital W string caps W not in str1. Now we check the result. That is a true. Capital W not in a string. Same as we check the tuple, and also we have performed this operation on a string list. Create a list 2, just check 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we check same as 2 in list 2, true. Next is 6 in list 2, also we check it, it's false because C is not in a list. Thank you.